Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday. And I will be reviewing this cutie here. Look at that. All right. Okay. Let me give you the specifics of this wig. First of all, it's the Dashley unit number 6. Dashley lace unit number 6. I have quite a few Dashley salt and pepper units. So I have this in M44. It has a lace part. This has a deep side part. And it looks like that. And it comes in all these colors. Okay. But I was specifically looking for the salt and pepper. And it came in this. Okay. Here she is. Look at that body. Okay, let me put on my wig grip. First, I'm going to show you the specifics of this wig. I almost forgot just that quick. Okay. It has a comb right near the part. It has a right side part. It has a comb at the ear. And it has a comb at the back. And 2 adjustable straps. And it has this wig cap construction. You can see the wefts are sewn on. One lace part. I'm not even sure if I cut lace off or not. I don't know. Probably. I'm not sure. It's in this beautiful shade of salt and pepper on the lighter side. Okay, let me brush this. Isn't that pretty? See that sheen? And this is by Sensational, I think. Sensational. Okay. I wish they would put the names of the wigs inside the tag on the wig, right here. This just says Dashley and Sensational. Okay, let me put on my wig grip. This keeps the wig from being snatched off, keeps the wig from sliding or slipping. My wig just fell on the floor. Oh, and I got my own hair braided, and I got it pinned up. It's messed up again, even though I brushed it. It fell on the floor. Okay. Like I said, it has a right side part, but I prefer a left side part. But it's still cute. And I'm not attaching the side combs, I'm just attaching this back comb up under my wig grip. Making sure ain't no humps and bumps. Oh, this is cute, y'all. And I did put a little powder inside the part, but powder never shows up well on a gray wig. So it's very little. Well, if it shows up, it'll look orange. This reminds me of the page boy hairstyle, like back in the day. At least I want one earring to show. Where the part looks. It has body, y'all, and that color is phenomenal. Okay, that's it, y'all. Cute. Throw on and go wig is cute. So this is how it looks from the front. Let me hold up a picture for the thumbnail. And it looks just like the picture. Okay. Left side. Back. And the right side where the part is. I should have a swivel chair in here. It's in my beauty room. Right side. So, and I think I got this from Amazon. I ain't sure. That's where I've been getting most of my wigs from lately. I used to go to the beauty supply store, but I don't have to anymore. Amazon, they got good wigs, y'all. And Cicero is a very good brand, and I have a bunch of them. This would be cute in a, what colors they got? Beige, I can't pronounce that word. Like a brown with copper highlights, or latte, flamboyant chocolate. Anyway, this is my Wig Wednesday wig review, and I've worn it a couple times, and actually I misplaced it, and I found it in my beauty room when I was looking for something else. I said, oh, I like this. It's been here a while, and I may or may not have done a review on it. I haven't looked it up, but I think I did. This is the style I like, but I prefer a left side part. So once again, this is the Dashley Salt and Pepper Lace Unit number 6. They each have a different number. And this is the color M44. That's this shade of gray, which I really like. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.